Done.
Okay, let me take a picture.
Ooh, food.
No, we can't have the food until we learn about the manufacturer.
Then let's go to Bimbo.
Bimbo Bakeries USA makes bread, rolls, English muffins, bagels, and snacks. There are 198 bakeries in 32 countries, which employ 136,000 associates. Bimbo started back in 1945 by a family, Jaime Horba and others.
The first Osito Bimbo bear was drawn in 1945 by Anita Sendra. And the Bimbo name comes from the word bingo and the famous Disney movie Bambi.
What makes the Lehigh Valley Bakery special is the great people that work here and the automated process that we have that gives us a competitive advantage in the marketplace.
A lot has changed since first came here. It was a rough startup. There's a new plant, a lot of new machinery. It took a while to tune things in. Our waste numbers went from 30% down to 3%.
What I do here at Bimbo Bakeries is slice the bread, bag it up, send it off to the shippers, and it gets distributed throughout the country. It usually takes around 2 hours to make the product from beginning to end.
My workday at Bimbo is pretty fun. I work directly with the dough, so I'm always on the move, getting dirty. The favorite part is knowing that I have a hand in sending out product that goes on everybody's dinner table, everybody's lunchbox.
The advantage of hiring someone who came from a technical school is the immediate impact that they could have along with their specialized hands-on knowledge.
Bimbo actually paid for my schooling. After I transferred from production into the maintenance department, they offered me the opportunity to go to Ultra-IC, to go through a mechatronics program, which Bimbo paid for, and was able to gain more knowledge about the machinery here and better do my job.
The salary range for associates at Lehigh Valley is anywhere from $18 an hour to about $29 an hour, depending on what department you're in and how many years of service you have.
Osito Bimbo, what is so cool about manufacturing?
It makes dough.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.